Hey guys, welcome to Mark Bajerski YouTube channel. Bit exhausted, we've been working non-stop all day today. Well, happy exhausted. How are you doing guys? Are you okay? Lovely day outside. Summer's here now. The magical mountain of Mias Pueblo is shining. People are all happy. As soon as the sun comes out, it's always beautiful. Today's a great day because we're going to do the draw. Yet again, another draw, and this was on behalf of our dear friend and guru with the white teeth, Ajahn. And thank you, Ajahn, from all of us. We're listening to it now. Been listening to it part of the day today. It's been beautiful. Yeah, thank you guys. I wanted to get up to 1,000 subscribers for Ajahn, give him a little bit of a boost. He sent me a message and he was crying. Bless him. Don't we just love his beautifulness, like me? So yeah, I did the draw, and the winner is, are you ready for all of this here? The Radruska beads and all the oils and everything that we said. Okay, are you ready? Here is the winner. Yay! Joe! You have got a heart, mate. It's going to be nice and clean. That's fabulous. And well done, Joe. On behalf of Ajahn, he wants to thank every single person. He just sent me a message. Please wish everybody my sincere thanks. So I want to relay that back to you. He's so very touched by all of you who have said such beautiful things. What he said to me is he's going to continue with mantra and the explanations of mantra, and I'm hoping that I will be able to either get him here or I'll pop down to Marbella and get him to explain all about the mala beads, how you work with them as well, and what the fingers mean as well. That'll be interesting. I know a few things about the fingers now, so it's a bit interesting, and he's always filled with great information and knowledge and wisdom, so that's great. I just want to say to a few of you guys, you've been sending me a few messages about any courses coming up. They're all full bar one course. There's only one course left, which is available to book now, and that's on the, it's the only reason why I know, I've looked. It's the 13th of June till the 16th of June. There are places available for a 4-day pure energy healing crystal course. You all love crystals? Then you're most welcome to book. You just go to markbajerski.com, go to events, and then scroll and click till you get to the day of June, and then it will come up. And then yeah, hope to see you here for 4 days of intense and wonderful learning of crystals and how to heal with crystals, how to heal yourself, and yeah, how to heal all your friends and family, and how to work with crystals and energize them. So looking forward to that, guys. I'm afraid that's the only course that's available now for this year. That's it really. I just want to say thank you guys. Really enjoyed this draw. It's been great. The comments were brilliant. Ajahn said, I've been attacked with my teeth. By my teeth. I said, yeah, I know, it's great, isn't it? You will be forever known as the guru with white teeth. I can think of worse things. I think that's it really. Anything else do I need to say? No. I hope you enjoyed the video this morning, a little bit about how to cleanse and clear your crystals. Yeah, thanks guys, I really mean that. Thank you for going to markbajerski.com and buying your energized crystals from me. Thank you for buying all your cleansing sticks and everything else, all the oils. Looking forward to Friday of the launch of my Moldavite oil. And I can't wait to work with you and share with you how to work with the Moldavite oil. I've got a little bit of I never ever get dimples or spots, but I've got one. Oh my God, Mark Bajerski, he's no longer perfect. See you later guys, have a great evening.